How to electronically sign PDF documents. So in this video today I'm going to show you the best method. I'm going to show you the two method actually, so you can use as per your requirement. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Chrome browser. Okay, so first in first method we need to use the Google Drive. Okay, so you need to have your Gmail account. So just log in with your Gmail account in your browser, and now we need to just click on this app app option, and just find that Google Drive. Just click on and open it. Okay, now we need to upload the PDF file from here. You can just go to the new and click on that file upload option. Now find that your PDF. I have this PDF here. Just select it and just go to the open. It will be upload. Okay, it is already exists, that's why this pop-up has been come. So you just upload. I also again upload it. Okay, it will be start upload. Just open it, or you can simply refresh your Google Drive, and in file tab you can select PDF only, so you can see your PDF file only. So this is the latest file we have uploaded just. Okay, so just right click on it, open with Google Docs. So okay, we need to open this file in Google Docs only to insert or edit your PDF file. Okay, so it take few seconds to open. Okay, now if you want to insert your digital signature here, electronical signature, so you have two options. You can simply click your signature photo from your mobile phone, and you can transfer this signature in your device like computer, and you can upload your this signature file from here. You can just go to the upload, find the signature file and open it. So it will upload here. Now you can go here in click on this behind text, and you can place your signature where you want. Okay, so it is only image, but you can click your signature photo, and you can remove the background. Okay, you can remove the background from here, like go to the remove bg. Okay, so this is tool I use. You can simply upload your signature here. It will be remove your background. Then after removing background, you can download it and you can use it. Okay, like this. Okay, the here you can use the your you can also sign your signature here by using the tools. I will show you. Just keep the cursor where you want to insert signature. Go to the tools, go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new. Here you can select this option. Okay, sorry. Okay, we need to use this option, scribble, and here you can sign your signature like this. Okay, you can use your mouse or your mouse pad. After done, just go to the save and close. Now just select this, use this option behind the text. Now you can minimize, maximize the size, and you can insert where you want. Okay, okay. After that, you just go to the file, download as a PDF. So it will be download updated PDF where we have signature here. Okay, and okay, so another two Adobe tools we have. Another option which is Adobe tools. So go to your browser, type Adobe and PDF. The tools will become here, which is signing PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, this is only okay, this is official site. Here we need to create the accounts. I have already account here. Okay, you can see I have already created account. You need to just create account with your Google Gmail account. Now here this option will become, just come to the file, select your PDF, upload your PDF file here, and I have already created the PDF file here. I need to just select it and just keep drag like this, so it will be insert. If you want to create this signature like this, go to the add initials. Okay, same here, you can draw your signature here and save, or you can upload your signature image like this. You can also type your signature initials like this and save it. It will be saved. Now we need to just click it and just drag where you want. Okay, after that, the signature has been inserted. Now just download. The PDF will be downloaded. You can see both signature has been inserted. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.